Huh. I've always heard of FL Studio, but I never knew how much it was. What the? Jeez, making music cannot be that expensive. Go pirate FL Studio or something. Or like, code it. I don't know, just leave me alone. It can't be that hard. Alright, to get started, I have Visual Studio on one side, and I have a C++ documentation on the other. This is just if I need any help. Also, there are 3 rules for this challenge. 1, I cannot use AI for my help. 2, I cannot steal someone else's code. And 3, the music has to be decent. Okay, I'm just gonna make my C++ file. Wait, I forgot what I'm supposed to do. I think in the source files I'm supposed to add, yeah, main.cpp. First of all, I think it's, import, or include, #include, yeah. And then add our library. And this is where we look into the documentation. We have all these references. I'm just gonna skip that for now because I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Let's just add int main. Yeah, there you go. And then return what? Return 0. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm so good. Okay, now we do make music. And then we run sound. No, wait. Sound. Where do I start? We're just gonna use #include windows.h, then int main. Then the reason why we include windows.h is because they have the beep. Then you can do beep 440 for like 1000 milliseconds. How do I get rid of this AI? It's the GitHub Copilot settings. Oh, I can turn it off, right? Okay, there we go. Okay, now let's build it and see how it sounds. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so now we just need to get rid of the beep, because we don't need this anymore. For now, let's just make a simple C major chord. I have all the notes frequencies. Now let's actually make it. Let's make an array, so note equals... Oh, wait. You know what? Let's just use documentation. Arrays. What? I think I have to add double here. Then I put the brackets here. Then what is here? Is it curly brackets? Oh yeah. 261.63 329.63 392.00. Okay, so these are the notes. Now I just need to beep. I guess we can add a for loop. So for I equals 0, I is less than size of notes, I plus plus. Okay, wait, am I supposed to add int I notes I 500 milliseconds? That should work, right? Yeah, that's great. But I want the notes to play simultaneously. So let's just get rid of this. We're gonna get something called include cmath, then include vector. Then we do pragma comment. Then we link the Windows Multimedia API, winmm, which means Windows Multimedia.lib. Now we make a constant integer for the sample rate, which equals 44100, which is standard CD quality. Now I do constant in bits per sample, which is 16. Wait, why did I add a semicolon here? Now we make the void play chord. Now we add the 3 frequencies. So double frequency 1, double frequency 2, then double frequency 3. Also we should add integer duration. Now we add integer total samples, which is sample rate times duration, then divided by 1000. Here we have all the 3 frequencies assigned to C, E, and G. So I can do C, then E, then G for 1000 milliseconds. Then finally we can return 0. Now let's run it. That sounded horrible. First of all, I'm gonna raise this to 0.5 and see how that sounds. No, that's actually 1 divided by 3. We can multiply these by 2. Let's see if that sounds. That sounds much better than before. Alright, now we have every other note. Now the last step is to start making music. But first we have to plan the song we have to make. I think we should do Daisy Bell.
Daisy,
let's plan the harmony first. So it starts in a C major, then it's like C, E, G, G, E, G. But this G is in a lower octave, so we'll just do divided by 2. So that was the intro, so we'll do the main part. We start with C major, then it seems like an F major, so F, A, C, C, which is the lower octave, then A, C. Then back to C major. Okay, so I converted it to code. It should theoretically work. I have to duplicate these. Now it should work. Oh, that's perfect. I do want to make this longer. Now I just copy and paste until we get the full harmony. Now it's time for the melody. Okay, so I have a piano here. The melody should go something like this. There we go. So let's write melody here. Then just write all the notes. Alright, so after like 10 minutes, I create the whole entire melody. And now you just have to put it in code. We can just put the melody in the play chord function, and it'll work the same. I have finished! It is kind of scuffed, but for now, this is the result. Beautiful. Oh wait, I know. I'm supposed to change this to 4.